welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New York. I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is actually just another look from this palette from Liveglam. It's the Understood the Assignment, and this is what it looks like really pretty. And I thought to do like a very everyday look with this palette because I'm in the mood. I want to play more of the pinks and everything else, so we're just gonna do a nice everyday look because why not, with some wispy lashes. So we're just gonna go and just get started. This was December's eyeshadow palette, and I didn't get it last month, but I did get it this month, part of the January's thing, just for it, and I was going to do just a video for it, which I did last time, but the audio was sucky, so I did not want to put that out there. So I'm refilming the Liveglam monthly subscription, and then doing another look with this. So I'm going to use the Profusion's eyeshadow base. So this is not like my favorite thing from Profusion. The eyeshadow lasts for a good while, but maybe 8 hours. It just doesn't do like it does it's supposed to for a few hours, and then just like boom. So I'm gonna use this shade called I Know You Know. If you know, you know. Which is so cute, like that. So we're gonna put this all right into the crease. Now this one doesn't have much of a transition shade that I would use, which is fine. Does not bother me, not one bit. But I am gonna use this as a crease, just a little bit. So if you don't see the light, I am actually using that. I'm just like doing this. Like this is like a really pretty shade. This shade is really pretty. I like these kind of shades, especially if you're going for an everyday look. This will work. You can make this really sultry. You can make this very smoky. You can make this as an everyday look. So I do like that. So more than you. Okay, we're gonna use Material Girl. Oh, this is pretty. Oh yeah. I'm definitely liking this shade. Like, this is really pretty. I like that. I like this kind of shimmers. I'm definitely going to be buffing that color in again with If You Know, You Know. Okay. I'm actually gonna do this. Since this is gonna be a everyday look in its own little way, I'm gonna use No Cap just to have a little bit more. So this is a dark chocolate brown. Well, I consider it a chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna go right there. and just work it with into the light. Like, it's really pretty. I really like how this is coming out. More of an everyday look. Like, you can make it smoky how you want it to make it, and I'm definitely okay. And I'm actually gonna fade that into just a tiny bit. Make that really soft. Yeah, there we go. Make that real soft. I'm going to use the Duo Strip Lash Wand. And I have to make sure this is the right, which side is the right one. First, I'm going to do my eyelashes first. I'm going to use my favorite go-to one, is the e.l.f. Lash It Loud one. Wait, you really don't need your eyelashes. For this look, I'm just choosing two because yeah, I think I'm going with the nude. I was thinking about going French kiss, but I'm going with Worthy. And then just work with that. Because it's an interesting technique. I like my negative lashes better, but I am looking like clear. I need to get those eyeliner pins. I like that. That's I usually do that. This is on This is the finished look that I created with the Liveglam Understood the Understatement. I really like this. I decided to go with this one today. It's the French Kiss from January's Liveglam collection. So I like both of them. These are really good. So yes. So this is the finished look. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. You want to see more everyday looks and everything, is make sure you hit the like button. Of course, don't forget to if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, we are drama free and judgment free. Here we don't put up with that any at all. We welcome everyone on here, and I hope we would like to be part of the family. Sorry, I cannot speak today. I cannot speak today. But don't forget the notification bell to be notified of any new videos. I upload Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. and I do a weekly collab with my friend Shar from Shar's Fascination, Mountain Witch, Christine, and Barbara's Beauty Bag every Wednesday at 1 p.m. And of course, I go live every Monday for Get Ready With Me, Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and Freaky Friday with my friend Shar's Fascination at 9 p.m. where we talk the spooky and the scary, the spooky things that goes on. And so guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.